In this video clip, we will introduce how to use for loops in STATA. To be specific, we will be talking about for values and for each. To start the discussion, let's look at the for each in the help file. So this is the syntax of the for loop. This is what I call header. Basically, you declare what is the running variable name, what's its range. This is the repeating part of the loop, and you defining the running part by two brackets. Notice that the format here is necessary. So let's look at a very simple example of for loop. So here I'm saying for values of I from 1 to 10, by default the increment will be 1. I display the running variable. So specifically, I want to call to attention that when you declare the running variable in the command part, it is not two quotation, but rather the left half is the tilde key, which should be located to the left of the 1 key on the left top of your keyboard. The right half is your normal quotation mark. So if you are having STATA whose version is higher than 10, so you will see that it is showing light blue if you do not change the displaying format of the STATA script. Alright, so what we have here is that I asked STATA to displaying the value of the running variable. So here we are, 1 to 10. Now let's look at how I can declare a non-integer variable. So this is starting value. This is the next value. I add in the 1 increment. So here the increment is 0.02. So here you have a colon which indicates when the variable actually ends. Here, first you can let's generate some random variable using the for loop. So here we set observation to 10. I'm saying that here for each times I want to generate a variable that's name. Look at here, actually using the running variable as a part of the variable name, which is allowed in the for loop. So I will have 10 random variables generated. Nice. Okay, so that's about the for values. So for the for values, the running variable has to be values, of course, numbers, of course. What if we want to do something that with a variable or with other random stuff that is non-numerational? We can use the command for each. The for each has a much more complicated syntax than for values, but essentially you can declare the ranging in or with off. So I will describe two simple examples, but I left you to explore much further. The first example I will be using is just do a summary of the 4 previous variables. So I declare the running variable as RV, and the range is x1, x2, x3, x4. So that's the 4 variable I'm going to looping through. So you can see that actually to looping through 4 times. Or alternatively, I can declare a local macro. I declare a local macro as x1, x3, x1, x2, x3, x4. When you declare the values of the local macro, you need to put them inside the quotation mark. So now, actually I have to run together. So now when I run in local macro and the for loop together, you can see that I'm quoting the local macro here, also with the tilde key in the left and quotation on the right. It runs nicely.